Hello guys, one more video today. This is Ask Anastasia and I'm showing you another property that wholesaler sent it to me. Just 2 garages belongs to it, but it's boarded up. And this is the property itself. Okay, gonna tell you the price after we see the property, as always. And this is a triplex. It has been boarded up. Okay, you need to ask him to move. We have somebody sleeping there. So we can go in, hopefully. And we have some homeless person sleeping in a porch. I'm lucky that I got 2 guys with me. And let's see what this property looks like inside. It's all being boarded up. What? You cannot go in?
It's boarded up.
Honey, this one?
Don't step on the shit. There's shit everywhere.
No,
Okay.
you're fine. No, thank you.
This one you have to remove. He say it's opened. You just need to lift it up and it's gonna be removed.
It's not open.
Honey, it's falling right now. Can you try to lift it up?